Well, we've been asked to post an example of the use of placing details on layout sheets. And in this example, it's details of bricks, steps, and paving layout. Whenever you have a layout sheet, it's possible to have a series of different floating viewports in that single sheet. If I select this viewport here to the left, which I've outlined in red, I'll change that back to white, transparent later on. But if we look in the properties box on the left, it's a fixed scale. It's a fixed scale of 20. So in fact we've set in the label here, red brick paving detail, plan and section, because there are two of them there, 1 to 20. And the same applies over here, where we have an elevation view of these steps with the information on tread and riser and so on. Putting a new floating viewport onto a sheet is very easy. It's just a matter of right-clicking on the tab down at the bottom, go to Add Viewport, and you can just draw a viewport anywhere you want and double-click in there. And just to illustrate, we'll put our view, our porthole view, around the plant schedule. So now the plant schedule sits in its own floating viewport, and we can position it wherever we want. You can even overlap viewports. Now in this case, it's nonsense to have the plant schedule on this sheet, so I will remove it. And now to present that information, I'll select all of the floating viewports. They're all in fact at a scale of 1 to 20, and I'll change the colour from red to colour 255, which is white, and when we unselect, there's our sheet ready to plot. It's in fact on an A3 sheet and ready to go. So floating viewports, a number of them on one sheet, can be a very effective way of displaying your construction details.